theoretical physicist who came up with the uncertainty principle, which states that you cannot simultaneously know the momentum and speed of a particle. Here's an example of this.
Do you know how fast we're going?
No, but I know where I am.
You were going 117 miles an hour.
And now I don't know where I am.
Is there anything suspicious in your car?
Not that I know of, but you can check my trunk if you'd like.
Schrodinger's cat is a thought experiment, sometimes described as a paradox. In this paradox, a cat, a flask of poison, and a radioactive source are placed inside of a sealed environment. If a monitor detects radioactivity, then the flask is shattered, releasing the poison that kills the cat. The Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics implies that after a while of being inside of the environment, the cat is simultaneously alive and dead. However, when an observer opens up the box and looks inside, the cat is either alive or dead, and not both.
Sir, did you know there's a dead cat and physicist in your trunk?
Well, now I do.
Schrodinger is also well known for developing the wave equation. The diagram shows several snapshots of the production of a wave within a rope. It is depicted or broken down into 1/4 period segments. In one complete period, the leading edge of the disturbance has moved a distance equal to one complete wavelength. In one period, the wave has moved a distance of one wavelength. Oh my god, I forgot my history book. What is life?
Don't worry, Avery, I can help you out. What is Life is a book that I wrote, and it focuses on answering one main question. How can the events in time and space which take place within the spatial boundaries of a living organism be accounted for or explained by the laws of physics and chemistry? I hypothesized that atoms that make up life should behave the same way as atoms that make up non-living things studied in physics. Using these laws of physics, I tried to determine how genetic information was stored. You see, when I was doing my studies at the time, DNA had not been discovered yet, so it was hard to come to a solid conclusion with the evidence that I had in front of me. My suggestion was that a well-organized group of atoms was in charge for the perfection of living organisms. The center of every living being's consciousness was in charge of those atoms.
Schrodinger's answer was more philosophical than it was scientific. Without Schrodinger's contribution, the discovery of DNA nearly a decade later would not have been possible.